One of the things I think that is very unique about the University of Redlands School of Education is how resilient our students are, who have gone through so much in their lives, and they are dedicated.
We're committed to a world that is a better place to be, that provides opportunities for all, will be one that persists. It's a core value.
And the minute I stepped foot on this campus, I was acknowledged as a human being. I was seen as a person and not just a number.
Education justice to me is an underlying belief that brings us together. That's the reason a lot of faculty come to the School of Education. That's why they choose to teach here. It's the reason a lot of students choose to attend.
We include families into the orientation of students, and what I mean by that is that we actually write them a letter to let them know that the next few years their loved one is going to go through a tremendous transformation and they're going to need their support.
Considering that there are a lot of students who are coming here pursuing graduate degrees that they have never even thought about being able to do, that in itself is a very exciting and an also very unique thing about our program.
And our job is to give them a peek into what they don't know so that they might imagine something greater. I mean, that's the kind of world I want to live in, right, on a daily basis, the kind of world where we're giving people new possibilities and they're able to see themselves in new ways that are better and better. That's a pretty darn exciting field to work in every day, right? If you think about it that way, it's an amazing opportunity that we have to be in education.